Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Montezuma's like no other vegan-friendly milk chocolate alternative. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a 90-gram block of Montezuma's like no other vegan-friendly milk chocolate alternative. So it is vegan-friendly and organic. And being vegan-friendly, it doesn't contain any milk, so it is milk-free. And just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And on the back or on the side of the box, there is some product information as well as an ingredients list and nutrition information as well. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by peeling open the box flap at the top and sliding the contents out from the box packaging and checking through, making sure nothing else is left behind. We can set the box to the side, so just setting the box packaging on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at this 90-gram block of Montezuma's like no other vegan friendly milk chocolate alternative. So top and back side of the packet. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, tearing open the packet. And giving you a clear look at this milk-free, vegan-friendly, organic chocolate bar. And I'm just going to flip it around to give you a look at the top side. So you can see the Montezuma's branding right across the pieces molded onto this block of chocolate. Now lifting it out from its packet, I can feel straight away that it does have a sticky texture to it, just from that instant sensation of handling the chocolate. So giving you some close-up looks at this 90-gram block of chocolate. So we can see that the chocolate block can be broken off into 24 separate pieces with the Montezuma star and M's. And on the underside or reverse side, giving you a close-up look at the details and texture of this chocolate. And to give you some sense of the size of the chocolate bar or chocolate block, 90 grams of it resting in my palm. And now let's go ahead and break off a piece. So I'm going to break off a piece in the top corner. And you can hear that very crisp snap and giving you a look at the cross section of this Montezuma's like no other vegan-friendly milk chocolate alternative. And now let's go ahead and taste it. So it does have a smooth texture to it, with a sweet and slightly chocolatey tasting flavor to it, but it doesn't have the creaminess or creamy finish that one would expect from a regular milk chocolate. But let's try another piece. Let's break it off into smaller pieces and giving you once again another look at the cross section of these two pieces. And now let's pop the bigger piece in and taste it. So smooth tasting with, once again, that chocolatey flavor. But of course, not quite there with the creaminess. So the taste texture is somewhat smooth and a little bit on the watery side. So that's the Montezuma's like no other vegan-friendly milk chocolate alternative. Thanks for watching and happy eating!